So why is technology important in the procurement or for any business for that matter? So the technology provides the means of handling and processing all transactions and requests in your organization, starting from communications through emails, through meetings remotely, order processing, receiving items at the warehouse, processing payments, and reverse transactions. So the most important part that technology provides is the visibility of data, products, and cash flow in both directions. Whatever data and information and cash flow going out or coming into your organization, the technology will be able to capture all these transactions, and it will help you as a procurement professional to process your orders more efficiently when you have visibility of the information, the cash flow, and the products that coming in and out from your organization. So if you want to generate a report about the purchase orders that you process for the past year or so, you can do that using the technology. You can export the report from the system that you are using. If you want to see how much the total POs that were issued in a certain year, let's say for 2020, you can issue a purchase order report for that year, and you can see the total of all POs that were processed on that year. So this will help you to uh, facilitate the transactions that you have today. So if you want to categorize the payments or see how much money you are spending on each category or in each supplier or product, you can use the technology in your company to export such report and figure out what you need to do next, what kind of a strategy that you can build to start your next negotiation phase, for example. So if you are ordering something, a product or service from certain supplier, you can export a report for the previous orders that you had with the supplier for the same product or service, and you can use it to leverage your negotiation position with this supplier and tell him, last year we bought over $1 million from you worth of this product, so I'm looking for your support this year to give me a more discounted price, a better payment terms, faster delivery lead time for this product or service. So you can take advantage of the technology that you have in your organization in order to help you run the procurement operations in the most efficient and most effective way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.